around 5 miles per hour. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 30s. Saturday and Saturday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 60s. Lows in the lower 40s. Sunday, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers. Highs in the upper 50s. Sunday night and Monday, mostly cloudy. Lows around 40. Highs in the mid-50s. Monday night, mostly cloudy. Areas of frost after midnight. Lows in the mid-30s. Tuesday, areas of frost in the morning. Mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-50s. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and your receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning Alarm device. Here's your forecast for the Jackson Listening